Namaste, my young friends. Welcome. Today, we're starting a really wonderful new adventure together.
Welcome to the colorful, magical world of Wisdom Tree Kids. I'm just so happy you're here. We are beginning a very sacred journey. It's our Rathyatra Special, and it's going to be amazing. Say hello to our beautiful new friend, Vihu. She's joining us on this exciting adventure today. We're learning about Rathyatra. It's this incredibly great festival with truly massive, sacred chariots. And you know what's amazing? People from all over the entire world come just to pull them. Riding inside are Lord Jagannath, his brother Balabhadra, and sister Subhadra, our very special VIP guests. These chariots teach us 3 beautiful lessons. They show us true devotion, unity, and the journey of life. Over the next 7 days, Vihu and I will help you uncover every single festival mystery. So are you ready for this holy journey? What magical secrets will we find? Let's begin.
So, my dear friends, that brings us to the end of today's wonderful journey. I hope you learned something new today. A quick note, if you or your friends would like to watch this video in Hindi, you can find the Hindi version on our channel as well. Do check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments below what you like the most. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now so you don't miss any updates. Stay tuned to Wisdom Tree Kids. Thank you so much for watching.